Hi guys, today we will see about YoLOv V5 for detecting the object detecting model. So we will go and see what is we see here as a definition in the Google. YoLOv V5 is a family of compound scale object detection model trained on the COCO dataset and includes simple functionality for test time augmentation, model ensembling, hyperparameter evaluation, export to ONNX, core ML, TF light model size. So this is the object model to predict the specific object after we train and get the module. Okay, so this is the official GitHub link provided by YoLOv5. Can refer here. You from this reference we can use. So this it will show clearly where the status of the LOV5. You can see the code here. Then these are the pre-trained checkpoint and model for creating training and get the weights. So it will show the size, MAP values, param, then how much percentage is good to use. This information we can see from here. Okay, we'll see in the code lab now. We can use TensorFlow and Facebook, NetFacer, these all things. Here, this is very simple and booming one. So we will see Euro V5 to detect the object. So we will see from starting. We will clone the what we see the repository. We will see we will clone this repository here. This one and GitHub Ultra Analytics YoLOv5 Git. We will run this. Once we run here, it will load here the GitHub repository in the folder path. So refresh, you see it's appear here. After this, then we need to install after get the repository. It have the repository requirement.tx text. So we need to install the repository and other needed libraries. After install this, we already we trained the data set for detection what the object we are going to detect, the informations we need to uh, get the trained data set after segmentation. So once we run, it will load the data what we uploaded there. So we are detecting this maintenance items only. So we need to run this at YAML. This function will be here, right? This one. See here how many this is the we have trained data and validation test data images. Here we have six after train the images we have six classes we are maintaining here. This one will appear here. Then this is a model this is a model informations available inside YoLOv5's YAML. So the information we need to in model deployment, then we will variables, then we need to run this model YAML. Okay, after run we will here try when we need to find the detector, we need to pass the information, size of the images, batch, epochs, how much epochs need to run, weight, name, cache, all the information. Then we will um, we will run the data with apex of 300 here for good result. It will take little time. So in this time we can see, um, for we will get the, it will run till 300 epoch. Then it we can see the tensor flow, all things. So we will see what are the informations, what are the, now this object detection is the very important topic in the current world. This belongs to the computer vision. Once we know about the machine learning, we can slowly use this knowledge and develop the project using this object, using YoLOv5, TensorFlow, and Facebook models. We can develop the system to detect the object. We go and see here, computer vision, YoLOv5. See, we have this too much other papers are read, can identify the buses and the items, then objects, all we can do using computer vision. See, mass detection using YoLOv5. This all we can do. Even assign how much speed. We can we can detect the object using the pre-trained model. So we will get the images from all the places, get the signatures and trained like this. If it's the like this design, we need to set how much is it at the object. Once we train, once we get the model, we will use it model here. In this model, then we can using this result, we can use in our system. Okay, so you only YOLO means we know you only look once. We can detect very clearly even this image. So it's mostly we are in the traffic on the light bus detecting the items. Mostly we are using, mostly in the industries they are using YoLOv5. It's a nice. We will see the training is finished or not. See how many epochs is finished now. One of four, still this much I need to finish. This is a TensorFlow. After this, I will run the TensorFlow in the TensorFlow to show the informations. So this one it will show NVDA informations. It will appear here. How much stress loss, see. If you run and see this, it will show that as NVIDIA informations. So then we can see the plot. We can plot and see our trained. Yeah, once the training will finish, we can see the training data labels. Okay, before that we can see the labels. How we label the object. Say if we take this image from here, it will show. So this is the, we are trying this. Restaurants informations for detection, detector this one. Detectron is in the Facebook. Here we are using YoLOv5. So currently this is the object we are detecting from the image. This one need to show augmented. This is the augmented um, image. So it shows clearly the right informations. Once we trained, we can get the weight. So once we train this one, we can get the weight here. After get the weight, we can detect the image here. Once you detect the image, we will once get the model weight, we can push into the Google Drive for future use and use in any other applications. This one we will mount the drive here. Once drive, we will push the best.ptb to this folder. So once we after this, we can use that model weight in detection. So we'll see how much pending. So we need to wait for we if we need the good prediction, we need to increase the epoch. If we go here, this is the repository. We can see all the what the information we see here. It's all will appear here. So if we go and see here, it will show all the models. What the models appear. Here will also this information only appear the. If you open here, it will show the models. What the models available. This information will be available here because after use the repositories. The models informations you can see from here. This is the models on V5. Yes, this is the mobile type. So they have code regarding. So how many pending now? So still little pending for finish. So they have code for all other modules also. Below V5, V3, image. This one can use this for our project. Okay, we will see now. Still pending. If you are increasing the epoch here you need to change the epoch information here. How many batches, how many images we are pushing. This information we need to update. What the model we are going to use, this information we need to update here. Once we update, it will do the action accordingly. Now it's going to finish. If we increase the epoch, the result will be get accurately. So this one, we get the all the information regarding the classes. Once we did do this TensorFlow, we can see the informations here as we said before. Then when we NVIDIA informations, once we run this, we can see the informations here. Then we can see this is the information detector informations. So we can get the data here. Once we finish, we can train. After trained, once we connect with the so after mount the drive, can load the this model, the weight model to the Google Drive. We can use the model from there to on any applications. Okay, this is the using YoLOv5, we are detecting the object. Let's see after connecting how the system will work. Okay, thank you very much. Let's see in the